My name is Dr. Mrs. Felicia Onyebuchi Ezeugwu. I am a lecturer in the Department of Music, University of Nigeria, Nsukka. I teach theory and rudiments of music, though I specialize in music education. My first degree was in composition, instrumental composition. From my master's to PhD, I went into music pedagogy. Now I teach theory and rudiments of music. I also teach African music in the society. Just as my colleagues have said, the Department of Music, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, is soaring higher and higher. And the sky is a beginning, not the limits. Thank you.